How is embryo transfer done? Is it a painful procedure? And let us know about this. So embryo transfer is such a procedure where it's very painless procedure and you need to no need to come in any fasting state. It is a procedure which happens within a matter of 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes maximum, where there is no need for any sedation as well, unless there is a history of any difficult entry or if there is any history of painful vaginal scans. These are the indications for sedation, but as such it is a painless procedure and everything is done under vision. I mean, the patient can be able to see how is the embryos being transferred, how are they entering into the cavity as well. So this is not a major procedure, just that the prior preparation for endometrium is really very important. Why? Because the endometrium has to be cherished, nourished, and with excellent blood flows for the embryos to come and implant. If there is any disturbance in the endometrium, as such, if there is a decreased blood flows, or if there is any resistance to blood flows, or when there is endometrial thickness which is not adequate, these are the chances where we can see there is a failure of pregnancies. So definitely the specialist, the fertility specialist, has to be very keen on how well is the endometrium being prepared. The best endometrium will gives the maximum result for implantation. So what are the precautions that the female has to take for endometrial lining to come in a very good pattern? Is first that the medication has to be taken on time. There should not be any fluctuations in the timings of the medication, because the hormone that we use to prepare the endometrium should not be changed the timings. Otherwise there may be a chances of spotting during the implantation or spotting during before the embryo transfer.